Hey guys, welcome back. So today is organizing day here in my craft room. I will be labeling my ink pads from the stamp market, and also I'll be swatching these ink pads. I did order the ink pad labels from their website. They do have those available. And then they also had these this die right here. It's a swatch tag die, and they had some stamps that coordinate with their ink pads. These were on clearance. I'm not sure if they have any, if they're sold out of some of these, because color palette number 2 was sold out, so I wasn't able to purchase that. But it's okay. I have my ink label maker, and I will be using that for my swatches, to use on my swatches. So let's get started. So I find it a lot easier to spread them out. That way I can look at the labels and then look for the name and start labeling. To swatch my ink pads, I'm going to use the Beautiful Bows stamp and die set. I will be using the smaller bow on this set right here. So let's get started. I forgot to mention that I will be using the Waffle Flower grip mat, and this is a little bit smaller than the grip mat that will fit in your Misty. And this one is a 5.5 by 8.5, so as you can see, it's a little smaller. The size that fits your actual Misty is the 6.5 by 8.5, but this is the one that I have right now, so I'll be using that. Okay, so I cut my cardstock down to size, and and this grip mat replaces your foam pad on your Misty. Okay, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys know that, just in case. Okay, so placing my paper, my stamp is already here. I just kind of eyed where my die is going to go, and I think that will be good right there. Okay, so now that I'm done swatching my ink pads, I am going to go ahead and die cut my swatches, and I'm going to use the bigger die from this set right here. I have to remove these, and like I mentioned before, it's from the stamp market. So my next step would be to add the name to my swatch, And I already went ahead and aligned a couple here on my Misty. It will make it a lot easier and maybe a lot faster to add the name to my swatches. And I'm going to be using the Obsidian Pigment ink from Altenew. And so let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and stamp. And this will make the process a little bit more faster. Okay, so let's go ahead and ink. So it makes it a lot easier and a lot faster. So now the next step would be to just cut and put a ring on here, and we would be all done. So now what I'm going to do is finish cutting these. I did cut down to 2 3/4, and this is what they look like. So let me go ahead and finish cutting these. And I did mark them just to make sure, you know, they're all the same size. Okay, so everything is cut down to size. So now I'm going to go ahead and place them on this gold ring right here. And then I'm going to name, well, I'm going to put the name of the company in the back. But this is what they look like, and that way I have a reference to go to when I use my inks. It's a lot of work, you guys, but it is well worth it. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.